Render token cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, in an unobtrusive way. We hereby and large will generally give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for in every way that really matters. Render kind of token, RNDR. The render token really has in short order in every practical sense acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested and looking through the inquiries like sort of is for the most part render token, RNDR, a genuinely wise venture. Is RNDR worth purchasing in 2023? What will in every practical sense be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? In a for the most part enormous manner. How in every way that really matters, high can essentially deliver token go. Our aid will provide you with a thought of the render token expected development and its cost expectation, all from by and large profound specialized examination to crucial kind of past cost graphs, or so they in every practical sense thought. Render token fundamentally past value examination as per the kind of the most recent market information. Today, the cost of generally render token, RNDR, generally is $2, and RNDR truly is as of now position number 49 in the whole crypto market. The course supply of RNDR is 368,852,897 with a market cap of $736,043,959 in absolute most recent 24 hours. In the essentially beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been somewhere near 0.12% in its really current cost esteem. Assuming we by and large think about the 24-hour market cap of the render token with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap is likewise an extremely descending pattern. From in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days the render exceptionally token for the most part was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 4.71%. RNDR in a real sense has shown areas of strength for extremely, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and contribute. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the essentially current cost worth and recent days cost history, it is seen that render truly token explicitly has expanded 10.45% in its cost esteem. The typical lease cost for the 1 month basically is $1.73, while in every practical sense, greatest normal cost certainly was $2.09 amazingly. This suggests that this coin generally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to actually your arrangement of coins for truly long haul in an extremely large manner. The 90 days cost change is near 0.18%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a base essentially normal worth of $1.69 to greatest truly normal worth of $2.14 in the beyond 90 days in a very significant manner. In every way that really matters, most recent 4 months by and large render token explicitly has shown a developing pattern, which is genuinely critical. In this way, we for the most part believe that comparable pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period, which generally is genuinely critical. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of render token for the most part is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost. The coin is up by 69.23% with the in every practical sense greatest normal cost of the coin all things considered was around 61 cents. And the exceptionally least genuinely normal value of was around 57 cents in truly beyond 4 months. Render most certainly token value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We truly anticipate future RNDR cost expectations render token gauges by applying profound in every way that really matters. Counterfeit learning specialized examination on the authentic value information of render token, which is very huge. We certainly do are very awesome to gather really greatest verifiable information for the RNDR coin, which sort of incorporate various variables like kind of past value, market cap, volume, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Assuming that you in a real sense are hoping to put resources into digital money market, in every practical sense, make a point to generally peruse our forecasts. Render token value expectation for 2023 as per our figure in 2023. the cost of generally render token is supposed to reach at least value level of $1.92. The RNDR cost can by and large arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $2.16, with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging cost of $2.10, in an exceptionally enormous manner. Render token value expectation for 2024, according to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024. The cost of render certainly token for the most part is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $2.94. The RNDR cost can arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $3.58, with the typical exchanging cost of $3.04, or so they truly thought. Render most certainly token value conjecture 2025-2026. The cost of render token explicitly is anticipated to especially reach at a truly least degree of $4.22 in 2025, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The render token cost can arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $5.02, with the typical cost of $4.34 all through 2025, in an exceptionally enormous manner. The cost of render kind of symbolic is most certainly anticipated to reach at least degree of $6.38 in 2026, which really is genuinely critical. The render really token cost can for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $7.28, with the typical cost of $6.55, all through 2026. RNDR value expectation for 2027 render in every way that really matters. Token cost certainly is figured to arrive at a kind of the least degree of $9.57 in 2027, which explicitly is genuinely huge. According to our discoveries, the RNDR cost could in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $10.91, with the typical figure cost of $9.90 in a significant manner. RNDR value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of RNDR, in 2028, the cost of sincerely render extremely token explicitly is gauged to fundamentally be at around a by and large least worth of $13.47, in an unpretentious manner. The render token value worth can arrive at a limit of $16.51. With the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $13.97 in United States dollars. Render especially token value expectation for 2029. The cost of one render extremely token, RNDR, is supposed to in every practical sense reach at any rate level of $20.19 in 2029. Amazingly, the RNDR cost can arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme degree of 23.83. with the very normal cost of $20.